Hello everyone, welcome to CDC. Today I'm sharing very nutritious, quick, filling, healthy oats and ancient grain recipe with you. You can enjoy this delicious dish in breakfast, lunch or dinner, especially if you are on a weight loss journey. So let's get started. I'm using this porridge oats and ancient grain mix. Apart from the major ingredient of rolled oat, it contains oat flakes, rye flakes, barley flakes, spelt flakes, millets, flax seeds, quinoa flakes, etc. If you are unable to find this premix, then either use regular roasted rolled oats or add any of these 1 tablespoon each, whichever is readily available to you. I have used ginger, garlic, few green chilies, onions, tomatoes, green pepper, and 1 small potato. You can simply omit potato if you are using this recipe for strictly weight loss. I have finely chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies. I have peeled potato and cut it into medium to small dice and put it in cold water to avoid browning. I have medium diced green peppers as well. You can use any other seasonal vegetables as well like carrots, beans, broccoli, corns, etc. I have cut tomatoes and onion into small dice. Now heat up a medium-sized pot or a kadhai. Once hot, add any vegetable oil into it. Then add cumin seeds. Once it starts to splutter, add chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies into it. Saute them for about 20 to 30 seconds. Then add chopped onions. Saute them as well for another 30 to 40 seconds or until it turns translucent or pinkish in color. Then add chopped tomatoes into it. Mix it well. Then add cubed potatoes after straining its water into it. Time to add salt and turmeric powder. Give it a stir. I have used rock salt here, but if you are using regular salt, decrease the quantity of salt by half. Turn down the flame to medium, cover it with a lid and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until potatoes are 50% cooked. Then take off the lid. Give it a stir and add red chili powder and coriander powder into it. Combine it well and roast the dry spices with masala for about 10 to 12 seconds. Time to add oats and ancient grain mix into it. These oats are pre-roasted, but if you are using unroasted one, then either dry roast it first before starting the recipe or soak them in water for an hour before cooking it. Soaking or roasting prior to make this recipe is highly recommended as it reduces the phytic acid content which are liable for some digestive issues like bloating. Roast oats with masala for about a minute or so. Then add water into it. Once water comes to a boil, turn down the flame to medium and cover it with a lid. Cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Keep stirring it in between to make sure it's not sticking to the bottom. Once it absorbs almost all the water and potatoes and oats are cooked completely, add green peppers into it. Combine it well, then cover it once again with a lid and cook it for another minute or so. Don't cook it too long after adding green pepper. Otherwise, it will lose its bright green color as well as crunchy texture. Turn off the flame. You can taste at this stage if it needs more salt or not. You can also add lemon juice at this stage. I have tried it and it tastes absolutely perfect as it is. Now just add handful of chopped cilantro. As I mentioned before, you can enjoy this gluten-free, dairy-free, power-packed masala oats during any time of the day. But it is best to consume either in breakfast or lunch as it will keep you fuller for the longer time. This dish is also an excellent option for the people who are suffering from high cholesterol, thyroid, PCOS, and diabetes, to name few. These oats are really low in calorie, rich in fiber and other vitamins and minerals. Moreover, it is really easy to make. Do try out this delicious masala oat recipe and share your thoughts in comment section. If you are new to this channel or haven't subscribed it yet, then please subscribe it. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, happy eating. Bye bye.